Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to MN Kitchen Vibes, where home cooking meets fun and flavor. If you're tired of eating the same boring meals or spending too much money on takeout, today's video is just for you. We're diving into some super easy, practical, and delicious home cooking tips that'll make your kitchen your favorite place in the house. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home chef, stick around, because these tips will take your cooking game to the next level. Let's get started. Cooking at home is one of the best ways to eat healthy, save money, and spend quality time with your loved ones. But sometimes it can feel like a lot of work. Don't worry. With a few simple tricks, you can make your time in the kitchen easier, faster, and way more enjoyable. 1. Always plan your meals ahead. Before you start cooking, take a few minutes to plan what you'll eat for the week. This helps you avoid last-minute stress and reduces food waste. Make a list before going to the grocery store. Stick to it and you'll save both time and money. 2. Prep ingredients in advance. If you're busy during the week, prepare your ingredients on the weekend. Wash and chop veggies, marinate meat, or cook rice ahead of time. Store them in airtight containers. That way, when it's time to cook, everything is ready to go. 3. Keep your kitchen organized. A clean and organized kitchen makes cooking much more fun. Keep the things you use most, like knives, spices, and spoons, within easy reach. Label your jars and containers so you can find what you need fast.
4. Learn basic cooking techniques. You don't need to be a professional chef. Just master the basics, like chopping onions, sautéing vegetables, boiling pasta, and seasoning properly. Once you get these down, cooking becomes much easier. 5. Use fresh ingredients. Fresh ingredients make all the difference in taste and nutrition. Try using seasonal fruits and vegetables. They're usually cheaper and taste way better. If possible, buy from local farmers markets. 6. Taste as you cook. One of the biggest secrets of good cooking is tasting your food as you go. Adjust salt, spices, or herbs to your liking. Don't wait until the end to find out it's too bland. 7. Don't be afraid to experiment. Cooking is all about creativity. Try new recipes, mix up flavors, and add your own twist. If you mess up, no big deal, it's all part of the learning process. Some of the best dishes are created by accident. 8. Make your kitchen smell amazing. Use natural aromas like garlic, onions, and herbs. They make your home smell cozy and inviting. A little butter or olive oil can bring out rich, comforting flavors that everyone loves. 9. Clean as you go. Nobody likes a messy kitchen. Wash dishes, wipe counters, and put things away while cooking. It saves time later and keeps your space tidy. 10. Enjoy the process. Cooking isn't just about feeding yourself, it's about expressing love, creativity, and care. Put on your favorite music, dance a little while stirring the soup, and enjoy every moment. Remember, great cooking doesn't need fancy ingredients or expensive tools. It's all about using what you have and making it special. When you cook at home, you control what goes into your food, so it's always fresher, healthier, and made with love. And that's a wrap on today's home cooking tips. Fork and knife with plate. I hope these simple tricks inspire you to spend more time in your kitchen and fall in love with cooking all over again. Remember, good food doesn't come from fancy restaurants, it starts right at home, in your own pan and pot. If you liked these tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Amazing Food MN, and share this video with your foodie friends. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep cooking with love.